If you notice, these prompts are quite similar to what we learned from the demos just a few minutes ago. Each of these examples showcases how effective questioning can guide the AI to provide detailed, informative, and tailored responses. As we learnt that LLMs have the knowledge of the world, and you can ask it to teach you things you did not know. Your own question and answer engine. For instance, asking, "How far is the moon from the Earth?" is a clear, concise question that can be answered directly. On the other hand, more complex queries like, "Which are the top 5 countries in the world by population?" require the AI to pull together multiple pieces of information, such as country languages, capitals, and interesting facts showing how specific prompts can result in richer, more informative answers. When we ask the AI to ask me 10 questions about 4th grade math, we're taking advantage of iterative prompting, where the AI engages in a back and forth, testing knowledge, and then providing feedback, in this case, giving you a score at the end. For research-heavy questions like, "Which country is the highest producer of corn, potatoes, and silicon used to make semiconductors?" the AI can provide not just the answers, but also references, demonstrating its ability to support its responses with evidence. Then there's a fun example. "Where are all the Disney parks in the world? And give me the most popular rides in each park." This is a great use case for retrieving specific interest-based information that can enhance your travel planning or general knowledge. Lastly, when you ask the AI to help me understand key points of rich dad, poor dad, with the added detail that you're a 40-year-old, the AI can tailor the summary to be relevant and relatable to your specific stage in life. Now, beyond just answering questions, LLMs can be incredibly powerful tools for learning new concepts and expanding your knowledge. You can ask the AI to explain difficult concepts step by step, or even request a full lesson on a topic. For instance, you could ask it to teach me the basics of machine learning, and it could walk you through the foundational principles, followed by examples and quizzes to test your understanding. You can also use the AI to improve your skills in a particular subject by engaging it in interactive learning. If you're trying to learn a new language, for example, you could ask it to quiz you on vocabulary, correct your sentences, or explain grammatical rules. The ability to iterate on your questions and dive deeper into topics means you can essentially use LLMs to guide your learning journey, like having a tutor that's available 24/7. These examples highlight how the right questions, clear, specific, iterative, and contextually rich, can unlock the full potential of AI in not only answering queries, but also serving as a powerful tool for continuous learning and knowledge enhancement.